What's going on, guys? It's about 5:30 in the morning here in Sacramento. I am headed out to the river to go do some salmon fishing today. We're going to be filming a little episode. I'm super pumped about this. Haven't been out on the river much this year. I've been doing a ton of hunting, which I can't complain. I've been having a hell of a season. And I will be getting some of those videos up for you guys shortly. Just wanted to get this one up first. My good buddy, and he's actually our Finz and Featherz captain. He does all our salmon and striper fishing trips here in Sacramento on the river. Chris, he's with Headrush Sport fishing, and we're gonna go meet him. Hopefully get a few big old salmon hooked up and on the boat, and I can put some meat in the freezer. I don't have any fish left, so it would be a nice variety to all the other wild game that I have. But let's go check it out and see what we can get. We're on the boat, about to put her in the water. Alright, we just got to the first spot, honey hole. We're gonna start getting rods in the water. Captain Chris with Headrush Sport Fishing. This is some of the secret weapon right here. A lot of people wrap sardines. This is his own concoction. Let's see if it works today.
You know, everything you put on there is...
Do you hand tie every single one of those?
Every single one, yeah. They're all cut out to a certain length, you know, anywhere from 29, 36 inches, yeah.
Awesome.
Every single one. My freaking thumbs hurt at the end of the day.
For you guys that don't know, this is Chris. He is the owner of Headrush Sport Fishing.
What's up, guys? He
is our go-to guy for Finz and Featherz for all the Sacramento striper salmon fishing. This guy kills it out here in the water. Lucky to be a part of this guy's team. And hopefully we can get on some big old salmon today.
It's a matter of time.
You feeling it?
Oh man, it's here. Beautiful morning. Sun's about to pop her head up, and it's time. This is my favorite stretch to be actually in the morning, because if we go downriver, you're gonna see a lot more boats. Here, look at, we got this whole area to ourselves. No one's gonna cut me off or whatever. If we hit a fish, we could easily go back upriver and go back down that same lane.
Nice.
So we get left alone up here quite a bit. Put this one to 51 feet. Keep it at 51 today.
This is my favorite time of the day too.
That's a beautiful looking fish. We're talking about right to the grill. That is what we want right on the grill all day long.
That is
oh man, that's beautiful.
First salmon for me in the freezer this year. Actually, didn't even get one last year, so
yeah. I knew that was gonna change today.
Oh yeah.
Hey, we lost that 25-minute bet, but I'll tell you what,
we got a fish in the boat. Woo! Hell yeah.
That's gonna be good eating right there. Still chrome, beautiful, nice belly on it.
You're gonna have some nice rowing here if you want to row.
Yeah, heck yeah.
What's up?
First fish on.
Good job, Reggie. Hey, I knew what you did want to go, Reggie.
What we're here for.
We're our belts.
Game time, baby.
Game time.
All right, we're switching over. We had that one salmon this morning on the setup we had going, so now we're switching over to the flashers. You guys can see these.
That's a technical.
See if we can get these salmon this afternoon.
Watch the hook there. There we go.
Got our camera crew on board now. Old Sammy looking for the salmon.
Hey Sabrina.
Making Sammys.
I noticed the speeds this year are a little faster than last year.
Reggie, my man! Fish on! Let's get this puppy in.
I didn't know we were catching puppies.
Yep. Come on, baby. The dance did it.
With the Chad.
Let's see if we can keep it on. I always get nervous till we get in the net.
Okay.
Yeah, baby, look at that guy.
Is it a big one?
That's a decent one.
Come on, baby.
Come on, Reggie. There's the fish there.
Come on. Oh shit. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. That's a big salmon. That is a big salmon. Woo! Come on, baby.
If you want, I can take this from you for sure.
Nice and easy, Reggie. Nice and easy.
I called it.
Watch out, this is swimming it on you.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Come on, Reggie, don't
Come on, come on, come on.
There she is. There she is.
You got it, yeah! That is a monster, dude. Beauty. Yes! 18? That is a stud.
On 18.
Nice, Reggie. Let's see this bad boy. Oh, dude, that's a piece. Oh, we need help on this one. Oh, big male. Oh my, dude, that thing's a beast. Nice. Woo!
Nice male. Hold on, I gotta knock this guy out real fast.
Big old beautiful male.
Good male.
Dude, look at that.
Male, Reggie. Oh shit, sorry about that. Wait on that.
That's what they do.
Dude, look at
They
that
hatch the
thing.
babies, they go all out to the ocean, live their lives, and they remember somehow.
Woo!
Oh, did he kick again?
Yeah.
Hold him.
Come on, Samuel.
See how much it weighs?
Dude, this was a hard head right here.
How big?
Yes.
18 pounds.
18, nice. You called 18?
18 pounds.
I called it.
Woo! Yeah. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in this episode. Awesome day on the river. Make sure if you guys are here in Sacramento and you want to check out a awesome salmon striper fishing trip, look up Chris with Headrush Sport Fishing. These guys have, I mean, you guys got to see the boat. Everything is unbelievable. He knows what he's doing. If anyone wants to come fish using him with me, he's one of our Finz and Featherz captains as far as the local stuff here in Sacramento. So we can book it through Finz and Featherz. If you don't care about that, make sure you hit him up. Come out here and do some fishing. We got tons of meat. We just filleted them all up. We got smoked stuff. We got beautiful, beautiful fillets. Very beautiful pink meat. Gonna take that home, throw it on the Traeger, probably smoke some of it, and I'm probably gonna do some cedar planks on some of it as well. So I am out. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in.